Hey, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make pancakes. So let's get started. As you can see, I've already prepared the ingredients on my kitchen counter. Flour, milk, eggs, and a pinch of salt. Step 1 is mixing the ingredients. Let's pour some milk into this bowl. I guess that's enough. Next up is flour. Throw eggs into the mix and don't forget the salt. Now it's mixing time. How are you? Hey, we are both bored. Since you have time, why won't you click the like button? I'm waiting. Do it! Well, I think I mixed the hell out of it. Oh, I forgot to prepare the pan and oil. Let me get them. Here's the pan. And here's the oil. So let's pour a bit of the oil into the pan and heat it up. Do you think it's hot? Okay, I'm gonna take my mix and pour a thin layer into the pan. A thin layer because we're making European pancakes. I think I can flip it now. Do you think I can make it? I don't think this one is still usable. Let's try another one. Pour into the pan the pancake mix, then wait. I think I'm gonna use a spatula this time. Flipping time! Ha! I did it! Oh no, it's burnt. Nothing that power of edit couldn't save. I mixed 2 perfect pancakes. Let's try them. Crunchy. Do you want to watch more videos like this one? Subscribe. Bye!